This is Martin Carlisle with asm2 from pico2018 2018. What does asm2 return? Submit the flag as a hexadecimal value. This will not be the normal flag format. We've got some source here. Take a look at that. All right. So this is the assembly source code. I see here that we have a reference, positive reference of 8 and 0xc off the EBP. Those are going to be two parameters. So if I think about what this function is doing, I presumably have something that takes in two integers. Let's call them int a and int b. So this one being further up the stack, this is b. And then it looks like it is going to store that at EBP -4, so that's going to be a local variable. So I'll just call that C, and it looks like it set that equal to B. Now here is our first parameter A, which we also put onto the stack. Now we're going to jump down to part B. So we come down here, we're going to compare that +8, so that is my first parameter. And we're comparing the first parameter to 0x8f90. So while we are less than or equal to, we're going to go through the loop. Let's see what this loop does. It looks like it adds 1 to EBP -4. And then it adds 8f to EBP +8, which is A. So A equals A plus 0x8f. And now it's going to take EBP -4, which is C, and it's going to put that in EAX, which is the return value. So that looks like that would be C code that does what my program does. Okay, so that's pretty good. Let's grab a shell over here. I'm going to try to write this program. Just copy paste that. All right, so we'll put in a main program. And we'll say we want to call asm2. Let's look back. Okay, we'll go back and look at this. We want 6 and 28 in hex to be my parameters. So 6 and 28 hex. Okay, so I got a couple warnings. Oh, I have an error. I'll have to fix that error. So line 10, I'm missing a parenthesis. Oh yeah, there we go, a little extraneous closing there. All right, so that says that the answer is 297. So submit the flag as a hexadecimal value. Let's see what 297 is in hexadecimal. Let's just print it out that way. That'll be easier. All right, 129. So, and there we go. We've solved the problem.